Well guys, I've got MMD's strut tower covers with me today, and simply put, these are a really great, easy, and affordable way to dress up your engine bay. I say that because these cover up your strut towers here, and let's be honest, all the strut tower hardware does get oxidized and rusty pretty quickly. Maybe after 1,000 miles or two, you really start to see the age on those things. These strut tower covers are made out of a nice TPO material, so they will match all of the trim in your engine bay perfectly if you decide to leave them black. And at the same time, these will never rust, they'll never oxidize, fade, chip, crack, peel, etc. They will continue to look new, and you can even throw a little bit of that Armor All or wax coating on there to keep them looking nice and shiny. With that said, TPO is very easily paintable. You can see we've got a customer car here. It's got a really nice anodized blue theme going on here, and you could actually paint these to match any color or theme that you wanted to go with. Again, install is very simple. You don't need any tools to actually install these, so if I have to give this thing an install difficulty rating, give it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. These literally just clip on top of the strut towers themselves. Now, a couple nice things about this cover besides the fact that you can paint it and besides the fact that it matches everything else in the engine bay. You got the official Ford licensed running pony logo on here, which is very cool in case you have any other themed items in there. And again, on the bottom side here, like I said, it just clips onto the strut tower. They're actually marked here, which they have driver's side, left side, and right side, and they do work with the factory strut tower. So without further ado, just line them up like so and press down firmly. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. So as you can see, they fit quite nicely, and they do come off very easily, by the way. All you have to do is carefully peel them up with your hands. One thing to keep in mind, if you do have aftermarket coilovers or any other longer studs or bolts on here, you might have to trim those up a bit to make these covers fit. That actually wraps up my review and install of MMD strut tower covers fitting your S550 Mustang. I'm Travis, thanks for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.